Today we're going to be adding the next page into our interactive binders. You are going to need to find a piece of paper that looks like this, and also a piece of paper that looks like this. We are going to be putting this on page, I think it's like 26 or 27. I accidentally left my interactive binder at school. But it is the page after the purple page that we just did combining like terms. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut across the bottom here to cut this bottom part off, and again across the top. And then you can cut around this to cut it a little closer. I'll show you what that looks like. So after you have it cut, here's what it should look like. Here's my first page. And then here is the other part. You are then going to take this piece and you are going to fold it in half. Remember, pause is needed. I'm going to fold it in half. You are going to put glue on the back here. And you're going to put glue on the back of this. And then we are going to glue them down right here and right here. Except don't glue it upside down. After you finish gluing, here's what you should have. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to cut across each of these, and you can cut into the little rectangle here on the end so that each of your flaps open up just like that. So then as we're ready to learn algebra in the next coming weeks, we'll be ready with our interactive binder page. So here's what you should have.